What was that song?
Because the road is broken and the road is like they dug that road I guess 3 years back. It's still not done. That's why I thought of a song. Idula pastry we can also get it from Dorabji's if that section is open.
Yeah.
So let's go to Dorabji then.
Hey guys, so right now we have come to shop in Dorabji's. मतलब lockdown है and we are trying to shop for some cakes and pastries because आज जो cat है Zen उसका आज 5th birthday, so I just don't want to waste today's day. So we went out और काफी ज़्यादा chill है. It's highly it's not advisable that you remove your mask anywhere during the lockdown. So that's why I decided to just shoot this vlog little raw, not cinematic. Let's see.
How many packets? 1?
2, right?
They have food also.
Just because it's his birthday.
They have lots of food.
After Zen's food, it was turn for our food and we bought chicken. Finally.
Yeah, 2x, right?
Yeah.
This is a cheese flavor.
Mm-hmm.
This one's a cheese flavor. This is Penang white curry.
Mm-hmm. I think you should start an ASMR channel now.
Yeah. This is 395. We don't want red hot. We've had it already. I think we'll go for this one.
I was feeling claustrophobic there inside.
Remove this thing now. We are in the car.
So Katrina, गळ्यात stuck झाल्यासारखं वाटतं. From morning since I drank water, so I don't know what is that. Okay.
Better?
So we got this mango shake.
Mine is the
Chocolate flavor, mango flavor. I don't know what was
we
that.
did not have dinner last night. And then we just slept. We worked and we slept. And later today morning we didn't have breakfast. We didn't eat anything.
Yeah.
And we just left the house and it was very hot outside. That is what everything got to do.
I don't know if it's corona or something. But I think I'm feeling better after this lockdown is open and there's less crowd outside malls and everything. Wherever we are going for shopping, it's less. People are less there. So this is how the ideal way of living in lockdown with corona. I think coexisting with corona.
But I'm liking it. There are no this is giving you a feeling of what the life could be somewhere near in Europe.
Yeah.
With less, population wise I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
Less vehicles on the road. If you're running, going for a morning walk, you are alone running. Otherwise there used to be 100 people running with you, some people walking for work and all, and then it's like you are disturbing each other in their own way.
Yeah.
Right now it's like if you start doing something, you are just alone doing that thing.
Yeah, and that is good.
Yeah.
No one is disturbing, and probably after a week or so, I'll start running as well. Yeah? I'll get back to my routine, my running, and
so shall we go for the cake? What do you say?
yeah, it's
just
Zen's
a U-turn
birthday.
and it's just there.
Yeah, let's go for a cake for my thumbnail. Yeah, I started vlogging because that's all I'm meant to do in my life, I feel.
But
this thing.
So this is what. See, you did not vlog before because you used to be driving. Now you are driving. Now I am driving, so I tell you to vlog. Just go ahead, do it. Whenever we are out, we are doing something exciting. Why don't you just document it? The purpose of I buying a car was the same, right? That you get a free hand in doing whatever.
Yeah.
So if now I'm driving you like crazy everywhere. Why don't you have a camera then?
And I'm feeling comfortable recording this entire thing on capturing this on my phone itself, you know. And many people are like, no, not phone, but I'm feeling good. This is what takes you and makes your life easy, right?
Yeah, that's what.
So the way
laptop edited. Done.
so it's like this, that way you are living with corona, same way you have to live with vlogging, and you know, it's something similar. There is some ideology, I don't know what I'm talking sense or no, but this is how things should coexist going forward. Yeah, and I think that's all from my end today. I just showed you how we got into this shopping and shopping stuff, and
I think we
we
should
went.
show them the fun house and eats.
Yeah, but that will be a later part, right? The latter part, that when we celebrate his birthday, how he eats, how he, you know, eats his cake, or his reactions to the cake.
Yeah.
Like 5-year-old he is today. And we got him when he was like 6 months old. So ideally we are living with him from last 4 months, 4 years, 4.5 years. So a little bit about background about Zen. So Zen was is not an Indian cat. So that cat itself is conceived in US somewhere, and so that then his owners, along with his parents, like mom cat and dad cat, they flew back to India.
They were in California.
They were in California, right? Yeah, something like that. I the person who I got him from, he told us the background story
We
of
did
that.
not buy him.
Yeah, so we didn't buy him. We adopted him, and caretakers of him were good enough that they were like, they just told you guys, just keep along with, just take him along with you guys. You know, we won't charge money or anything. You seem to be nice people. Just take him. And now that,
Just take care of him.
just take care of
And
him.
we are still in touch with them, and we
Yeah.
are sending pics and all.
Yeah,
And he's exactly like his father.
yeah. So Zen's father was a grey Persian, the way Zen is, and the mom was a white cat Persian, like a queen, right? Exotic.
She was like pure, like it's like nothing can touch her, that pure.
Angel.
Yeah.
Like that. So, right. So whenever you look at that Zen's mom, used to get that feel. But apparently now we are his parents, and
He's
you
our
should
angel.
get that feel looking at us as well.
And he's our angel.
Yeah, and he's our angel. So it's his day, and we are not getting cake for him. I mean, everything is closed.
And he has a preference also in cake.
Yeah, so he eats just pineapple cake, right?
Yeah.
He likes pineapple cakes. Nothing else he will eat.
So you can't just because he's a cat, you can't just slap any cake in front of him and it's like le kha le. No.
No.
He will just eat pineapple cake.
Yeah.
That's it. Coffee jar.
It's
Khulja sim sim.
closed.
Khulja sim sim.
It's closed, apparently.
Best coffee in Pune.
Yeah, like not best,
But
a
in,
good
at
coffee.
least in our area.
Yeah, our vicinity, yeah.
I
good
would
coffee.
say best coffee because those are the only people who give hazelnut variant, which no one gives.
He's not even Cafe Day.
No, Cafe Day also discontinued it. Starbucks I think has it, but then it's too expensive.
Slow. Right now, what has happened is the traffic has turned mad.
Yeah, because people
Somewhere.
have a habit of empty roads now. No?
You wanna wash your car?
He was open, kya?
Yeah, it's way too dusty now.
Not today. Not right now. Right now, just let's go home because we also have ice cream with us. It will melt.
Woo! Life is an ice cream.
Enjoy it, pick up before it melts.
Yes, sir. Alright, so with that, let me just close out this vlog. This was a day one for me after lockdown, wherein we both have gone out for such a long duration. Like it was more than an hour we were out. However, the corona is still on the spread. It's still out widely spreading. The numbers are overwhelming, but still, we would keep ourselves safe, and it's up to you whether how safe you can keep yourself during these times. So times are gonna be hard, but you have to be strong and get out of this situation.
Finally, you got to do what you got to do.
Right.
How much long are you going to hold yourself?
Yeah. How much long are you gonna live in the locked state? And it was really draining for me to
Take precautions and get out.
Yeah.
And do not harm others.
Yeah.
Like stay safe distance. See that you
Yeah.
don't infect someone. If
Follow
in case
social
you are
distancing.
infected.
Yeah.
And then
Because-
you have to see, if you go to malls and big places, then it's a different story. You're ordering thing, and
Yeah.
we also got to support the local vendors, right?
So on that thought, we'll just
Support
close out this vlog, and we've reached our building, society, whatever. Go ahead if you like such content and you want me to document this in a vlog style and stuff like that. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and all the beautiful things all the YouTubers ask you to do, that like and all that.
घंटी जरूर बजाना.
Yeah, all that. So चलो, bye bye, see you in the next one. Guys, अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं घर पे, and I got this for my cat. This is like, if you can see it properly, if this zooms and all. So this is something I got for my cat. It's tuna jelly infused tuna. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Then since he is like turned 5, और क्या लाया है, like Whiskas लाया है. So his food, like it's his day. So now that was the clip, you will see when it was his reaction when we introduced him. We just showed him that, and right now as well, as I vlog or as I am talking to camera, this is here he is, right here. Yo, say hi.